Today in crypto. SHIB might flip Doge anytime soon. Countries accept SHIB as their mode of payment. Shiba Inu, SHIB, continues to make noise that can be heard in all corners of the crypto world. In detail, SHIB has been aggressively increasing its market position in the past few days. At the time of writing, SHIB has recorded a 24-hour trading volume of almost $6 billion. This achievement of SHIB made crypto analysts think that maybe sooner or later SHIB can flip Doge. This made Watcher.guru, a crypto enthusiast, react in a tweet post, "Will $SHIB flip $Doge in 2021? Watcher.guru, at WatcherGuru, October 23, 2021. This post made by Watcher.guru gathered over 6K likes and 1K shares on Twitter, NYSE, TWTR. Furthermore, it also collected a lot of different opinions about SHIB's possibility of flipping Doge. There are some that agree and some that don't, while some remain neutral. Regardless, SHIB remains one of the top 15 crypto assets in CoinGecko. In addition, it has a market cap amounting to almost $18 billion. Through this, we can truly say that the SHIB army continues to walk strong and stand tall despite the challenges in the crypto world. On the other hand, some countries are beginning to adopt SHIB as their mode of payment for goods and services. The country of Venezuela is one of the countries in the world where some of their shops accept SHIB as their mode of payment. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu, SHIB, trades at a bullish price of $0.00003769 with a 24-hour growth rate of plus 33%. Continue reading on CoinQuara. This week, our 6 questions go to Jennifer Wines, Vice President of Fidelity Private Wealth Management. Jen grew up between Mexico, Canada and the United States. Academics brought her to Boston, where she attended law school and passed the bar exam. Jen started her career at Goldman Sachs, NYSE, GS, Private Wealth Management and later transitioned to JP Morgan Private Bank. She is currently Vice President of Fidelity Private Wealth Management. She holds a Certified Private Wealth Advisor designation from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Shiba Inu reaches a new all-time high. SHIB is ready to join the league to the top 10 cryptos. SHIB rose by 47.2% and trades at $0.00004157 in the 24 hours. Shiba Inu is gradually taking the center stage among other meme coins. The speculations, media, and buzz surrounding crypto is adding to its surge. Just when we thought the meme coin wouldn't survive like Dogecoin, DOGE, it keeps exceeding lots of investors' expectations. At the time of writing, the Shiba Inu, SHIB, gained over a 47.2% increase and trades at $0.00004157 in the 24 hours. Of note, the bullish position of the coin attests to its popularity and its subsequent move to break new heights. At the moment, Shiba Inu is surging in the crypto market, thus rising tremendously. Likewise, a week-long media bustle around the meme coin sees it jump from $0.00002796 to a new all-time high. All around, it is exciting in the crypto space as Bitcoin and altcoins are hitting new ATHs and deflecting negative tales voiced by some crypto critics. Though, some meme coins are gaining more traction and even pushing some of these major cryptos off the cliff. The crypto world is emerging, evolving, and moving toward being not just crypto but also a currency that the entire world will embrace soon. The last couple of days have been well off for Shiba Inu. Furthermore, Elon Musk's recent tweet of a text art image of a pup with a rocket ship triggered a rise in Shiba Inu's price. As much as the image didn't indicate he was talking about Shiba Inu, still, SHIB's price went up 21%. Greater than Elon Musk, at Elon Musk. October 17, 2021. Not to mention, SHIB is truly living up to its nickname as the Dogecoin killer. Most of all, Shiba Inu has garnered lots of attention since its debut in August 2020 and has incurred more than 5,130,000% with a circulating supply of more than 498 trillion. So far, a good number of crypto exchanges now allow users to buy and trade the 11th largest crypto according to CoinGecko. For good measure, the team behind Shiba Inu launched a decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021. For this reason, Some attribute the current status of SHIB to the foregoing. Distinctly, Shiba Inu's team continues to build more use cases for SHIB, an initiative that aims to sustain its longevity and value, and dispel crypto analysts' claims about meme coins. Equally, the hype around Shiba Inu is not stopping at any moment. This is because it successfully captured the minds of prominent crypto enthusiasts, celebrities alike. Alongside this, its tight-knitted community, adoption as a form of payment, and the entire team of Shiba Inu working round the clock to make the crypto more valuable will make the crypto much likely to survive. Even more, Shiba Inu needs no introduction again as the crypto keeps making a name for itself. Thus, moving away from the shadow of Dogecoin and in motion to join the top 10 cryptocurrencies. According to CoinGecko, SHIB stands at the 11th position, swiftly marching to get to Dogecoin, DOGE, which stands at the 9th position. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Earlier this summer, CNN and the New York Times each warned that the non-fungible token, NFT, bubble, fueled by buzz over eye-popping valuations for digital art and interest from collectors, might already be bursting, as the sixth employee at a social media startup called Wildfire, which was acquired by Google, Google, in 2012, I'm all too familiar with skeptics and precautionary tales when it comes to new and emerging technologies. Based on my experiences across entertainment, licensing and blockchain technology, I contend that if the so-called NFT bubble is bursting, it could be a net positive for the future of the industry. The industry is so nascent, we're the first batter of the first inning right now. Ben Arnon is the co-founder and chief revenue officer at Curio, an NFT platform for the entertainment industry. Ben's career began in the entertainment business with lead roles at Jersey Films, Universal Pictures, Universal Music Group, as UMG, and Yahoo! Music. In 2010, he joined tech startup, Wildfire, and helped to scale the company to an acquisition by Google. Ben held a sales leadership role at Google for 4 years, before transitioning back into entertainment. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. One records an all-time high price. Analyst forecast one to reach $5. Harmony, ONE, takes the crypto world by storm as it reaches its all-time high record. To be specific, the crypto was able to record a 30-day growth rate of over plus 90% that led one to hit the ATH price of $31. Indeed, this achievement of one brings joy to the crypto space, especially its community. This success of one spread like a wildfire in all corners of the crypto world. As a result, analysts and crypto enthusiasts cannot help but predict the bullish future of crypto. This made WSB Crypto Mod, a crypto trader and influencer, react in a tweet post. #Harmony1 is one of my favorite project for the upcoming bull run. The $1 ecosystem is growing at pace and the #Honest chart is breaking out of a huge multi-year agent S pattern and now giving a bull flag breakout. First target zone is $0,4 to $0,5. See details below. pic.twitter.com/ReJYPDLWTL, WSB Crypto Mod, @TradeRocco. October 23, 2021. The tweet post stated that one crypto is the favorite crypto of WSB Crypto Mod. Furthermore, in the tweet post, it is also said that one has the possibility to reach $4 to $5. But, of course, this is more likely to happen if crypto continues to attract more investors to the platform. On the other hand, the crypto market is already regaining its composure from its bearish dip in the past months. Interestingly, the whole market capitalization of the crypto market amounts to over $2.6 trillion with a 24-hour growth rate of plus 1%. Truly, this is an event that the crypto world should celebrate. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.